Okay, Mr. K, yesterday I gave you 60 seconds and it was not enough for you. So today you've got 10 minutes.
Yeah. Okay.
So yesterday we spoke about allowance, right?
The girlfriend allowance.
Yes.
And the wife allowance.
Yes.
That is the one that I said it was forbidden.
Yes.
I gave them my reasons, and I think they know my reasons, and they heard my reasons, and they understand my points. So what do you have to know for me today?
So now, since you said the wife allowance, girlfriend allowance is forbidden, what do you think now? Should the wife have a 8 to 5 job, or should the wife be a stay-at-home housewife, or what do you think? What is your take?
No, by law, to be honest with you.
What is the right thing, right now?
Okay, by law, a man, God created men to give them power. Where is your power as a man? Your power as a man, you need to be able to work for your family. Go out there.
Mr. K, are you saying a woman shouldn't work?
No. I'm coming there. A woman is not supposed to work. A man is supposed to be the one standing up, going to work, to make means in order for the family to be okay, to be sorted. Kids to go to school. Kids must have clothes. Wife must always shine. And the thing of always making wives, when you marry wives, you want to make them magogos. You know, those type of things is not good. So, as I'll come back to the point where we are making a wife a magogo. As a man, you're supposed to be the one supporting the wife at home, right? You are not necessarily meaning each and every month you must give the wife allowance. No.
But Mr. K, do you understand, Hori, the wife, since you are saying the wife shouldn't work, right?
Yeah.
So the wife doesn't have a job, is at home, right? Which is at home, but obviously not doing nothing. Do you get what I'm saying? So now if you are saying the wife shouldn't be getting money from a husband every month, where should then the wife get the money from?
No, I did not say the wife must never get money. People must never misunderstand me. I said the demands that are being made by women out there, plenty women who are making money out of men, because they are saying there is girlfriend allowance, wife's allowance and stuff like that. Let me tell you something. Many women right now, they've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boyfriends, right? And listen, 5 boyfriends in it. One is giving you 2,000. The other one is giving you 3,000. The other one is giving you 1.5. The other one is giving you 800 rand. The other one is giving you 3,000 rand. So it's like we're not pila. Wahosha in a night well, in a very nice way. Wahosha pila, come high. No, a man is supposed to think for the wife.
Ladies, please help me out here.
No, a man is supposed to think for the wife. A man is supposed to think for the girlfriend. It's kind of each and every month. If a man doesn't have money, a woman now is supposed to be the one going to a man and start shouting, hey, when are not giving me money and stuff like that? I demand to each and every month it must never be like a car installment. It must never be like a car installment.
But Mr. K, it shouldn't be like a car installment like you are saying, right? I understand your point. But now why would you say you don't prefer that a wife must work? No, a wife must never work. Aibo, Mr. K.
No, listen to me. A man is supposed to stand up, must go out and work. Okay, nah, I do that. My wife doesn't work. My wife still have money. She still get money each and every month. And she doesn't push me. If I don't have money, my wife doesn't push me. No, you didn't give me money. We work together and we put our heads together. That each and every month there is money coming. Okay, I know. Okay, if maybe they say I'm running a business or I'm working or something like that, right? I need to think. Okay, my wife. I might just throw something for my wife. At least give her maybe 10,000 rand or maybe 5,000 rand or 7,000 rand. Or if I'm for the business. If I've got a business, I must think of maybe at least give her something. Maybe this month, depending on how much I've made. How much money came to our home? It will all depend on that. I'll take maybe I'll just give an example. Let's say maybe you are a man. You made.
But Mr. K, how will you know your wife is satisfied if you don't want your wife to tell you how much they want every month?
No, the wife. Why would a wife give you a specific figure that each and every month I need so much?
Because they know their needs.
No, that is not a wife. It's a nguda. That one is we call it ngudo. It's a scam. It's a scam. It's not a wife. That one. The wife that tells you, no, each and every month I must have a figure. No, it's not a wife, that one.
But Mr. K, how will you know if you are doing enough or not?
How would I know? How much money do you need as a woman? You need 50,000? 70,000? If I give you 7,000, 5,000, it's enough. You are able to do something.
But Mr. K.
And I balance everything at home.
Mr. K.
Yes.
All I'm trying to say to you is, if you are saying you don't want, the wife must never demand from the husband, or a girlfriend must never demand from the boyfriend how much specifically they want every month, right? And also, you are also saying they shouldn't work, right? So,
by law,
why shouldn't you know how much they need every month?
No, but even in the Bible, by law, a woman, I mean, come on. A wife wakes up in the morning, goes to work. She goes to work.
What is wrong?
No, listen. When she comes back from work, she still needs to wake up to come back and cook for the kids and clean the house and wash the clothes and do scarfing for the kids before they go to school and all those type of things. When as a man you're sitting like this, it's an abuse. Men are abusing these women. You are abusing these women. You're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to think, as a man, okay, this is what I need to do for my wife.
Okay.
Every month, think for her. Every month, think for your girlfriend. But what I don't condone is the fact that people must specifically put a figure and say, well, Pella, you must tell something. A car installment, if it is 3,000 rand, you can't skip.
It has to be
3,000 rand
every month.
If Barry, you've got an insurance, it's 750 rand. You can't skip. It's 700. So the many wives and many girlfriends are using the strategy as companies. So now they became companies in your own home. Now you see. Now you've got Markhams, you've got funeral plan, you've got car insurance that you are paying, but you're unaware. You don't know as a man. Women, you are abusing us. No, it's not right. but I'm being honest, it's not right. We need to have common ground as a family, as a wife and husband. Common ground where we can agree and to have a healthy marriage.
But Mr. K, don't you think it's good for women then to work?
No, it's not good. It's not good. Let me tell you something. Do you know how painful it is to see a woman waking up at 4 o'clock, leaving you in bed, sleeping? 4 o'clock. She start going to the shower, she start preparing, doing everything, bathing, makeuping in front of you. And when you look at that woman, she's so stunning, beautiful. And listen to me, you look at her, you don't have a choice. But because of you as a man, you are a failure. You are failing to perform your own duties as a man. Now that woman, she goes out of the house. She's so beautiful. Don't you think what comes in your mind as a man? Are you not jealous? Are you not having that thing where, you know what, my wife, why should I do this to my wife? Why should I let her go out and be seen by other men that are going to be looking at her? Ali so beautiful and so forth.
But Mr. K, she's not going to be seen by other men, but she's going to work.
No, she's going to work. She's going to work. But first of all, it is your fault as a man to make her to be the one letting her to go to work. Why would you do that as a man? Why would you do that? A man is supposed to stand up. You're supposed to provide. You're supposed to make sure that you provide everything. Provide for the children. Provide for the wife. Provide for everything at home. Groceries, everything. Make sure that your family is happy.
So, Mr. K, it's okay for women to demand then?
No. I said no. Why would they demand? You see, what's breaking relationship, what's breaking marriages is because of people has put